So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. This is the Say My Name scam explained. So if you drive for Uber, you may encounter this scam from your passengers who are going to ask you to, they're going to be like, say my name. Because Uber released this. Is that the fire alarm? Oh. Uber Uber released this statement telling passengers to say my name before they get into a vehicle to make sure you have the correct driver. Well, that is completely wrong. Drivers should never let somebody in their car who they don't know their name first. Is it still going off, is he? Okay, I'll do this one then. So this driver explained this so well. He just posted this on Reddit, Uber drivers Reddit group. You guys should all be in this Reddit because it's very entertaining. Now, this is what he said. Please, he's an Uber driver. He said, please don't ask me, who is the ride for? From the moment I accept the trip, you have the following information about me via the Uber app. My picture, my first name, my car make, my car model, my car color, my license plate, and the physical location of my car in real time. This info allows you to hopefully be ready curbside when I arrive, haha. And to because usually they're not. And to verify all the information you have about me lines up with the Uber trip you have contracted for. The pertinent information I have on you is name and pickup address. This means when I stop at pickup address, anyone who happens to be nearby can ask me, who is the ride for? And when I responded, the ride is for John, they can say, great, yep, that's me, let's go. This does happen, and it is a scam unscrupulous passengers use. So don't ask me, please. Thanks.
So I don't understand, why people do that, because they don't know where the ride is going.
Well, they might get in and ask the driver, oh, hey, I want to go to this location instead. It happens a lot with drunk passengers. When you go to a bar, random people will just jump in your car. Sometimes they ordered an Uber and they don't even look at what car it's in the app, nothing. They see an Uber outside, they jump in. Yeah. Or a lot of people, when they're drunk, their mind starts to go blank, or they lose the logic and they go, oh, I can get a free ride. So just jump in an Uber and they go, oh, take me here, punch in this address, whatever. They don't know how the app works. They don't know you need to change the location on the app, and they just tell the driver, go to this location instead. And guess what? A lot of drivers will just say, yep, sounds good, I'll go here instead. They just got scammed, and they're not getting paid for that ride because that passenger, your real passenger, isn't even in your car. Yeah. Or another one, even worse, is that you might get somebody who's going to attack you. You might not have the correct passenger. You might get somebody who's going to, I don't know, some creepo. We've all seen the news. There's horrible people in the world. This is why whenever I drive Uber, I keep my doors locked and I make sure it's the correct passenger before I let them in. Because I don't want to be that exception about, oh yeah, this Uber driver got, carjacked. This Uber driver got, something bad happened to him. And I've read those stories time and time again. I don't want to be that driver. I don't want to be in the news for that. So I keep my doors locked. And I ask them, hey, what is your name? And if they say, oh, I'm not telling you my name, I go, great. Go check the license plate. Go look at my picture. Go look at my make and model. Make sure that's correct. And if you still don't feel comfortable getting in, that's fine. you know, I'm going to move on respectfully.
Yeah.
And I've done that before. I've refused rides from passengers who they're, and one time I did it, and the guy said he had his little puppy with him, and I go, "What's the name?" And he says a name, and it's not the right name on the app. And I go, "What's your name?" And he's like, "John." And I'm like, I literally, it says like Kyle on the phone, and I'm like, "You're not my correct passenger." He goes, "Oh, my friend ordered the ride for me." And I go, "I'm sorry, dude, but like I only accept," and he couldn't even tell me his friend's name. I was like, "This sounds so weird. I'm not letting you in my car. Firstly, I'm not going to allow a dog in my car. I don't want it. I don't want your dog to ruin my car. And if the dog damages my car, you know what? I'm going to charge his friend who ordered the ride for him. Like that's just that guy's probably going to report me. It
Yeah.
just sounds like a mess. I don't want to do it unless they can verify the correct name. And who knows? Maybe that guy was lying to me. Maybe he's just trying to get a free ride, or maybe he's a dangerous guy. I don't know. Maybe people see looks are deceiving. People might seem fine at first hand, and then they get their true colors come out after.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just saw what happened in Idaho with that grad student. Anyways, I'm rambling now. Just be safe, my friends. Please
Yeah.
keep your doors locked and don't fall for the say my name scam.